Welcome students to online teaching program for standard 9 subject English. Myself Mrs. BJ Kulkarni from JDC Bidco English Medium High School Nasik Road. We have already started with unit 2. Today we are going to learn unit 2.2, a true story of sea turtles. In this lesson children, we are going to learn about sea turtles and the campaign, in short an awareness in order to save these species. This is a write-up which highlights how a group of volunteers undertook a project for the protection and conservation of turtles and their nests in Maharashtra. The author and his friends saw some white turtles' eggs along the Konkan side. Therefore, they launched a turtle protection campaign at Ratnagiri with the support and cooperation of the Forest Department and Gram Panchayat in Maharashtra, and also involved some local villagers in the project. In short, the project at the end was very successful. Everyone, including the villagers and the people, they supported them throughout. Turtles are reptiles of the order Testudines, characterized by a special bony or cartilaginous shell developed from their ribs and acting as a shield. Turtle may refer to the order as a whole or to the freshwater and sea-dwelling testudines. The order Testudines includes both extant and extinct species. Let us see how the volunteers and the group of friends as well as the author try to create an awareness in the minds of the villagers in order to protect these turtle species. We were surveying in the white-bellied sea eagles in the summer that year. As we roamed the coast, one of the volunteers in our team saw some shallow pits with white eggs, shells nearby. Enquiries with the villagers revealed that they were turtle eggs. This came as a surprise to all of us. Let us see further. We had never come across turtle eggs in our walks along the beaches of the Konkan in all these years. The author is explaining us that they never have seen the turtle eggs. We decided to study this unusual occurrence further. They were more curious to learn more about the turtle eggs when they had a walk in the coastal line, especially near the beach. We learned that the beach where we had found the eggshells had been sealed to the public for nearly 1 month after people smuggling silver bricks were caught in that area. But what we learned further shocked us to the core. They were more surprised to learn about the smuggling. With more curiosity, the author and his friend decided to go to the coastal line and they wanted to see more about this turtle species. Turtle nest along the entire coastline of our state, the author says. There are a few people in every village who keep combing the beach in the early hours in the morning throughout the year. When the female turtle comes on the shore to nest and to lay eggs, she leaves behind a trail, just like a track of wheels on the sand. You can see in the picture children, there is a track of the wheels, just like when the turtle is walking ahead, as if the wheel or the wheel of a vehicle has been walked from there. It looks like that. The picture is so beautiful about the turtle. In short, the author and his friends try to study each and every aspect related to the turtles. The egg hunters follow this trail right up to the nest. In fact, they are in search of the turtles only, which is about half a meter deep. They dig up the nest and steal all the 100 to 150 eggs that are laid inside. These eggs are then either eaten or they are sold in the market. That means you can see the smuggling of turtles and their species. See the human nature disturbing the wild species. If the turtle is spotted while it is still laying eggs, it is allowed to leave till the laying is over. As soon as the eggs are laid, it is caught and then killed, or they are eaten also. This ruthless practice is observed in all the parts of the world. This is in short the smuggling of turtle eggs all over the world. However, in India, sea turtles have been given special kind of protection by including them under Schedule 1st of the Indian Wildlife Protection Act 1972. In short, India is working for the protection and conservation of these species. That means turtles have been given as much protection as tigers. As we all know, the Indian government has given a special kind of protection for the tigers because nowadays the species are decreasing in numbers. As well as along with the tigers, the government has also given special kind of protection in order to conserve the wild species of turtles. Therefore, all this business of gathering turtle eggs and killing turtles is carried on in a very secret hush hush manner. That means very secretly people are doing this. We began to think seriously about it. We decided to undertake a project for the protection and conservation of turtles and their nest in Maharashtra. The author decided and his friends they started campaigning against. First, the author and his friends they didn't have any information about the turtles. So first they decided to collect information. We had no experience regarding sea turtles. So first all of we undertook a study of turtles. We contacted institutes that work for the protection of turtles in India. The next step was launching a turtle protection campaign at Vilas Taluka, Mandangad, District Ratnagiri. This was done with the support and cooperation of the Forest Department. As a part of the campaign, a few local people were specially appointed to look for the turtle nest on the beach in the morning by the author. When they came across a nest, they had to very carefully remove the eggs from the nest and bury them again in a similar pit, but one protected with wire fencing. They had to watch over the protected nest to prevent thefts. Now this was a time where the author and his friends they decided to protect whatever nest they found. They decided to protect the nest very carefully in order to protect the nest from the thefts or from the hunters, those who used to come to steal these eggs. So this was the main part what the friends and the author decided to continue further for the protection. The author and his friends were very successful. In the first year, we could successfully protect 50 nests in this manner. When the babies hatch out of the egg, what an event that was, according to the author. In fact, it was a very beautiful sight. The whole village rushed to the beach to witness the spectacle, to see what was the scene. When the first turtle hatchling hurried across the silver sands to meet the rolling boundless sea, what an ovation. That means it was a very beautiful sight when small tiny turtles coming out from the eggs. They received from the onlookers. Some of the elderly villagers confessed that though they had seen and stolen turtle eggs right from their school days, it was for the first time that they had seen the hatchling rushing to the sea. It was a very beautiful sight that the author and his friends showed to the villagers. In fact, for years together, the villagers did not see that. They were only behind catching and, in fact, stealing these hatchling turtles. There are 7 types of sea turtles in the world, 5 of which are found in India. Let us see what are those. The olive ridley turtles nest along the entire coastline of Maharashtra. Green and hawksbills have also been found. And the amazing characteristics of turtles is that when the female turtle reaches maturity, that is, nearly after a gap of 15 years, she returned to the shore to lay her eggs at the same place where she was born. The female comes on the shore just to make a nest in the sand and lay her eggs and immediately returns to the sea. Innumerable dangers await the little hatchlings in the deep sea, and they have to face them all on their own. Turtles, in fact, receive no care after they hatch, so they have to learn on their own every time. They learn things very fast because they have to do so to survive a lot. In fact, turtles are known as learning machines. They learn on their own with their own experience. So, whatever danger they has to face during the hatchlings in the deep sea, they keep facing all the difficulties and they keep learning. So, they are known as learning machines. Turtles are found from southern North America to southern South America. They are also found around the Mediterranean basin, across Eurasia to the Southeast Asia, in the sub-Saharan Africa, and also in some part of the Pacific Islands. In fact, children, they live near about 80 to 120 years, a good lifespan these turtles they have got. In fact, turtles perform an important function. They keep the sea clean, thus they occupy an important place in marine ecology. Considering all these factors and their long survival, it is very important or vital to undertake their protection on a large scale. So it is very important in order to conserve these species which are nowadays in the form of declining position. Various human activities keep creating a hurdle in the life of the turtle, which is very much danger. With the great success of the author and his friends related to the turtle protection campaign at Ratnagiri, the author and his friends were boosted in order to search and implement various other projects in different parts. So within 5 years, the entire coastal line of Maharashtra was surveyed by the author and his friends. In fact, they were more successful in order to give or provide protection in 80 of the villages where turtle nests were found. This was a main and a very large project which was undertaken by the author and his friends. Very interesting facts about turtles are that they have been around on the earth for near about 200 million years. They are longer than lizards, than birds, mammals, and crocodiles, and also snakes. They live a very long time, near about 100 years old and beyond that also. They live only on the continents except Antarctica. A turtle shell contains 60 interconnected bones. So out of that only, very much difficult for the author and his friends to involve the smugglers, those who used to steal the eggs of the turtle, in order to train them and involve them in the work of protection and conservation. Because for years together, children, these smugglers, they used to just steal the eggs and they used to just have smuggling. On the other hand, they used to eat also. So it was very much difficult for them to create an awareness about the protection of turtles. So now, how to change the minds of the smugglers in order to protect the turtles? This was a big question in front of the author and his friends. Thus, they started the Turtle Friends Awards, that was Kasav Mitra, to encourage more and more people to be a part of the protection campaign. A very comprehensive booklet and short film on the protection of turtles were prepared to spread the message. Really, it was a very good step or a measure which was taken by the friends and the author in order to protect the turtles. In fact, they just wanted to divert the attention of the smugglers towards protection. Various slogans, various documentary films which were showed to the smugglers or to the villagers, so that everyone's mind will change and they will turn towards the protection and the conservation of the turtles in their locality or in their area, especially in the coastal line. The year 2006 saw the beginning of a novel concept, Turtle Festival or Kasav Mahotsav, an opportunity for tourists to witness the unique spectacle of the hatchling rushing out to the sea. A short film on turtles and the natural beauty of Konkan were additional features of the festival. Really, people enjoyed a lot. At the same time, the author and his friends were very quite firm on one of the great issue, and that was the hatchling should not come out to even the slightest harm due to the tourist activities. Because after the conservation and awareness campaign which was done by the author and his friends, various tourists gathered in the house of the villagers in order to see the hatchling activities. The tourists were accommodated in the homes of the villagers. The response to this novel concept of homestay was very excellent. In fact, it was a great experience for the author and his friends in order to see the turtle activities near the coastline area. A Turtle Friends Club was established in each village, the members being all the villagers offering homestay to the tourist. All the villages would now offer the same rate for homestay. They gave 10% of their income from homestay for the Turtle Protection Fund. Now, it was a time there was a drastic change in the minds of the villagers, where in those days these villagers used to steal the eggs and they used to have a smuggling at the coastal line in order to have the import and export of the turtle to abroad. So now these villagers were engaged themselves in the homestay and attracting the tourist towards the protection and conservation of turtles all around. Now, whatever money the villagers used to get from the homestay by the tourist, this money they used to convert into the funds, and the funds would be further utilized for the purpose of protection and conservation of turtles. See, children, the drastic change in the minds of the villagers. Now, modern technologies also help the villagers in order to bring new technologies in order to protect the turtles. The festival reached all corners of the world. People from everywhere started attracting towards the turtles and towards the coastal line in order to see the turtle activities. Through the medium of internet or our sites, various websites which were introduced by the author and his friends in order to create an awareness of the campaign or protection of the turtles or conservation of the turtles. In fact, it was a great success. People around the whole world began to contact small villages of Konkan. After the special measure taken by the author and his friends in order to conserve or protect the turtles, definitely more and more people throughout the world started attracting towards the Konkan areas. On the other hand, maximum villagers came forward to do this work and joined hands together to provide a homestay families to the tourist. They went up to 35. As many as 800 people began to visit Velas, especially during the turtle season. This meant more business for the villagers. Definitely, more and more tourists were attracted, and it was a great measure which was taken by the author and his friends. And people also were more aware about the protection of turtles, especially the tourists. Now the villagers realize tourism can be a source of income. Definitely, where in those days they used to engage themselves in smuggling activities, but now these villagers are engaged in providing homestay and attracting the tourist in order to bring a change in the source of income. Not only that, tourists bring in money, and in order to earn that money, it was very much important to protect the turtles, hatchlings. This was conservation of nature through livelihood. In its true sense, Velas at last became the project's main success story. And so, it was a great awareness not only in the minds of the villagers but also in the minds of the people throughout the world. After successfully completing the mission of protection and conservation the sea turtle species, the author and his friends, Sahyadri Nisarga Mitra organization which they had started, they believed that it is only the local villagers who can ultimately offer excellent protection to the local species. In fact, unless and until the villagers would have helped them, definitely the project or the campaign what the author and his friends had started would have not been a successful one. If they are given the freedom to do that, the conservation projects become sustainable. After successfully completion of the project and the campaign which was started by the author and his friend, now this project was successfully handed over to the forest department, the Gram Panchayat, the villagers and the Turtle Friends Club by the group. In fact, all of them are now handling it very wonderfully. In fact, no smuggling of turtle eggs are being observed by the group. In fact, people are more and more aware in order to protect these species which are now being in the declining state. Now, we are happy to see the project running smoothly, says the author, and offer help only when necessary. Now, the author and the group need not necessary for them to provide the help. Whenever the villagers, the Gram Panchayat people or any tourist people, they wanted any help from the group, definitely they are there to provide the group. But it is now successfully handed over to the forest department. People are taking more and more care, especially the Gram Panchayat people, villagers, those who are providing homestay, especially for the tourists, in order to protect and conserve these sea species. Before we wind up with the lesson, I would like to tell you some interesting facts about these turtle species. Children, I have already told you that these species, they live very long, near about 100 to 150 long years. A turtle shell contains 60 interconnected bones. These turtle species, they are called as loners. That means they prefer their own company. They always go in a company. The scales on the outer shell of a tortoise are made up of the same keratin as human fingernails. This protects them against the injury or damage or any infection around. A very important fact about the turtle species are that they can hold their breath for a good while. They empty their lungs before going back into their shells and can last for some time without coming out for oxygen. Children, you can imagine, we just cannot survive without inhaling, isn't it? If they sense a threat, they can often be heard excelling in the preparation for going into their own shell. As it is very common with these reptiles in general that they use the roof of their mouth to smell. This is where their vermonasal organ is located. That is a very important fact about the turtles, that they smell with their throat, not with their nose. They spend most of their lives in water. They are adopted for aquatic life with webbed feet or flippers. They very rarely leave the oceans except when they have to lay the eggs on the sand, then only they come out of the water. Otherwise, they try to leave, or they leave in the company of other aquatic animals, in fact, in the marine water only. I hope you must have understood the lesson. Go through the textual exercise and do complete them in your homework notebook. There's a homework for you. You're going to write this homework in your homework notebook. Collect information about turtles, its types and where they are found. Second point is some pictures of sea turtles you are going to collect and their habitat. Information about turtles' protected nests and eggs. You are going to collect all these informations along with the photographs, and you are going to complete this homework in your homework notebook.